To turn on LDAC for OnePlus 13, first of all, you will need to connect any headphones that support a LDAC. And in this case, I have the Sony headphones. I forgot their name, sorry, but I will tell you the name in a moment when we enter a Bluetooth settings. It's Sony WH-1000X, and we can see that LDAC next to them is enabled. I paired them without the app and the LDAC was activated, but there's no option right here anywhere to activate the LDAC. You can disable media audio, but it won't necessarily turn off or on your LDAC. So what you need to do is actually download a app for your headphones. If it's Sony, you can go with Sony headphones. If it's other like Soundcore, you can go for Soundcore. And then inside of that app, you will need to enable LDAC to make it work.